What's the reason? Can you tell me what the reason is? You come up here and you pull your gun on me, and then you rip my door open for no reason. What's your reason for pulling my door open?
It's an older truck, man.
What's going on, folks, and welcome back to Audit the Law. Today we're highlighting a video for you folks brought to you by the way of this channel here. This one goes by the name of Flat Earth, and this one is pretty wild. In this video, this individual is lit up for a traffic stop by a deputy from the Tom Green County Sheriff's Office. It does not show in this video how long it took this man to pull over, but once this traffic stop begins, this cop walks up to the window with his gun already pulled out and seemingly ready to use it. Just like the trigger-happy cop who went viral the other day for mag dumping nothing when getting scared by an acorn that fell from a tree. That particular cop involved in that situation nearly ended an innocent life and has since then resigned, but of course most likely protected by the police unions to be hired at a different department. But the cop here in this video is no different, except this cop did not get to satisfy the urge of pulling the trigger on his firearm. You folks will immediately notice this cop's power tripping antics as he plays a game of Simon Says with this guy. Oh folks, I gotta tell you, what a scary place this country is becoming with the massive amount of clowns that they're putting out in the streets with guns and a badge that makes them think it is a free license to kill. I want you folks to go ahead and check this out. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comment section down below. I'll go ahead and see you guys at the end of the video.
What are you doing?
Turn the vehicle.
Okay.
Turn the vehicle. Okay.
Okay.
Why are you rolling, man? I let you way back.
What do you mean, why am I rolling? I didn't see you till I was right here on this street, and I kept going because there's no place to pull over. I pulled over whenever it got open.
I let you way back there.
Where?
Man.
Where at?
At the beginning of Moon Lane.
At the beginning of Moon Lane.
Yes.
Yeah, that's what I just said. Whenever I turned off, I saw you.
Let me get your license, man.
Okay, well, I'm gonna hop out.
No, stay in the vehicle.
Okay. You have no reason to come up here and just open my door like that, for sure.
Okay. Insurance.
Guy pulled his gun on me and everything.
Okay.
Crazy.
Put both hands on the wheel, please.
Okay.
Both of them on the wheel. All right, remain there. Do not move, okay? I'm going to take out the vehicle.
Sounds good. You can shut my door. Will you shut this door?
All right, go ahead, hop out.
What are you doing?
Hop out.
For what?
Hop out.
What's the reason?
Hop out, man.
What's the reason? Can you tell me what the reason is? You come up here and you pull your gun on me, and then you rip my door open for no reason.
Step out of the vehicle.
What's your reason for pulling my door open?
Please step
What's the reason for pulling the door open?
It's an older truck, man.
So you just ripped my door open because it's an older truck?
And you're rolling. People who roll have warrants.
I haven't rolled anything.
They have pot all over their pants.
I don't have
It
any.
smells like marijuana in your vehicle.
This
Hop
is
out.
sawdust.
Hop out.
Okay, sounds good.
Put your hands up on the vehicle.
For what?
Hands up on the vehicle, please. I'm just going to frisk
You're
you.
not gonna frisk. What am I under
Put your
arrest
hands
for?
up on the
What am I
vehicle.
under arrest for?
I'm frisking you for weapons, Bubba.
Okay.
I'm not putting you in handcuffs.
I don't have no weapons.
Spread your legs, please.
You're gonna touch all up on me whenever. Yeah, that's gay as hell. Look at this boy. Look at this boy. He's getting all up on it.
All right, stand back here, man.
So what's the reason for the search? What's the probable cause?
For your mud flaps, man, being too short.
So you ripped my door open and frisked all up and opened my truck up for my mud flaps for being too short?
You
Is
have
what
warrants.
you're saying? Is that what you're saying? Yes or no?
You have warrants?
Is that what you're saying? Yes or no? Yes or no?
2729 Texas deal.
What's your name and badge number?
Robertson 8848
Robertson. What'd you say? 48?
55 5164 3355 5164. In the blind?
You said 48?
Yes, sir.
So you pulled me over. What was the reason for the stop?
For your mud flaps being
So
too
my
short.
mud flaps were too short. We go down Moon Lane. There's barely enough room for 2 cars to pass by. So I come up here to where it clears up. I pull over, and then you come over here and rip my door open, and then start accusing me of what? Saying I have pot all over me, which is sawdust from working because I've been cutting all day. You feel all up on
There's
me.
also pot on your edge of your under your seat, man.
There's pot on the edge of my seat.
Come here. You can now go back in the car.
I want to see all this. Yeah, for sure. But that again, you rolled up on me and ripped my door open because my mud flaps were too short.
Yes, sir.
So that's normal procedure for you to just run up and rip doors open because the mud flaps are too
You have
short?
a car rolling, man.
I wasn't rolling. I got to a place where I could pull over so that people weren't stuck getting in and out.
There were people who roll have drugs.
I wasn't
warrants.
rolling doing anything. I was sitting there calmly cruising.
They're not to any good, man.
Alright guys, all I can say here at this point is that this is a really pathetic attempt to try and justify anything this deputy is doing here, and it seems like he is well aware of this, which is why he refuses to answer any questions. The excuse of having an odor of marijuana coming from the vehicle has to be the oldest trick in the book.
My ticket and allow me to be on my
sir,
way.
I'm going to further investigate this, okay? I do have an odor of marijuana. Okay, that's just, from my training experience, that's what I'm smelling. I've smelled marijuana before. It smells just like this, okay? So
Different states in the US have different rules regarding marijuana and its smell. This video here takes place in the state of Texas, where it is illegal and still enforced, and I'm sure where cops have a blast doing this to folks out there on a daily basis. Whereas in the state of California, the smell of marijuana can no longer be used as probable cause to search your vehicle. Folks, this is the clearest example of a Fourth Amendment violation if I've ever seen any, and it's almost starting to seem like videos like these are coming out every day from not just the US, but from places all over the world. For this situation here, I myself happen to think that this case will be thrown out of court without question. Let's keep watching.
So I'm automatically bad because I didn't want to block the drive.
10-4. All right, Mr. Schultz. Let's start over.
No, we're not starting over. You came up on me, ripped my door open, and pulled your gun on me.
Send me a unit. Let me on PC search once I give you here.
What's your probable cause?
Odor of marijuana, partner.
So you ripped the door open and there was odor before or after you ripped the door open? Because you ran up on me with your gun drawn and ripped the door open. Is what you did, yes or no? Yes.
It's all been recorded. If you want to copy,
You didn't start your body cam until after you ripped your door open. I watched you. You started it right when I handed you my license. Right, yes or no? Yes or no? So what are we here for now?
I'm gonna be on probable cause search.
For what was your probable cause? Because my mud flaps were too short?
Odor of marijuana.
But there was no odor until after you ripped my door open or before?
It doesn't matter. You were rolling the window down anyway.
I didn't roll this window down. Not at all. I rolled that side down. See how it's down? This window's not up. He ran over here and ripped this door open and had his gun drawn on me.
Absolutely.
Is what happened.
Absolutely.
Right.
Absolutely.
So where's your probable cause at? Before or after you ripped the door open?
I opened up the door and it was coming from the car as well.
What car?
This pickup.
So it was coming from, so with the window up, there was odor of marijuana coming out?
Absolutely.
Is that what you're going with?
Absolutely.
Sounds good. It's going to be an interesting one for sure.
So, how much marijuana is in the vehicle?
I don't have any marijuana in there. I got sawdust in there, and evidently that's marijuana. There's no probable cause because you came up and just ripped my door open. Oh, nice. Now he's trying to get a tent ticket. He's going to try and get something today.
You live on Moon Lane, man?
No, I'm not answering any questions. You have my license.
Alright folks, and this is where the video comes to an end. I know what you guys are thinking, and guess what? I'm just as shocked as you are. This video does cut off a little short with no outcome, so I want you all to head over to this channel. As always, the original video and the channel link will be down below in the description. Folks, if this is what cops are willing to do on camera, blatantly violate the rights of the people, then I can't imagine the stuff they're doing to the people off camera. I've said this before, but I think it's getting a little too common on how often cops are doing this to folks out on the streets. This is the very reason channels like ours exist, for the purpose of teaching those of you out there who may be unaware of the rights they're entitled to. Remember that if you don't know your rights, you don't have any rights. The First Amendment to the United States Constitution was written to protect these basic rights: the rights of freedom of speech, freedom of press, freedom of religion, the freedom of assembly, and the freedom to petition your government for a redress of grievances. Remember folks, that this document does not give you your rights, but are supposed to protect them. If you guys appreciated this video, I want you all to hit the like and subscribe, as well as the bell notifications down below for future videos. I would like to thank each and every single one of you ladies and gentlemen for tuning in, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.
Oh, you are not subscribed. Do it now or get off YouTube, bitches.